Nyamburko mamanyo okumba mondo timne e yor mbui mar duoko chien weche mibadhi e kinde midwaro chudo. Manager mar DirectLine Assurance bade mana Nakuru Innocent Thangari owacho ni chenro no mar yor mbui biro neno ni giyudo nonro jowuoth e kinde mag masira. Noloso e nyasi mar chwalo puonj e wi weche okumba e boma ma Nakuru kama maloyo kembe 30 mag okumba thieth noromo mar chwalo tiegruok.
Your Excellency, we have media house who want to have 2 minutes live. You tell them.
We are teaching them about insurance and also championing the fact that we are living at a time where there is a lot of fraudulent claims, and as DirectLine, we are at the front line of really bringing about the cashless platform to be able to get a manifest from which we can be able to roll out any claims which are not, which are genuine, and those which are not genuine.
Once you insure your property and the risk actually crystallizes, then you are able to be taken back to where you were before the incidents. So it's very important that the public understands the importance of insurance.
It is incumbent on the insurance industry to seek ways of covering these new risks as they navigate the emerging business landscape that may have escaped policymakers